Riley's not so friendly.
Oh, Violet's like a proud mama. You're not gonna hurt him. Violet, stay out of there. Stay out of there, baby. Violet.
Hi, Violet. That's it. Doggies are going out. Violet, say bye-bye to them.
Video too.
Oh, that's a great video.
It's good. Oh, did you just see it? Oh my God, they're so bouncy.
Oh, I got a nice couple pictures of them hanging around the
did?
yard together, yeah. Look at this guy.